Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Kashmiri Kitchen. Today I bring to you another special recipe, Lahabi Kabab. This, as most Kashmiris would know, is a wazwan special and I must admit my personal favorite. My recipe is courtesy of my family cook who makes excellent Lahabi Kabab. So let's get to work. There are three basic steps. You create a mixture and shape them into kebabs. Next, we set them to boil, creating a delicious broth. In the final step, we spice up a gravy before mixing all the components together to create my favorite wazwan dish. For the Lahabi Kabab mixture, I used 3 pounds of ground lamb with around 15% fat. Add salt, red chili powder, cumin seeds and mint powder and 3 eggs, around 1 egg per pound, and mix together. I let this mixture set in the fridge for an hour or so. After an hour, take a bowl of warm water to moisten your hands and take a handful of the mixture and shape it into diamond-shaped Lahabi Kababs. These ones are smaller than what you would find in a regular wazwan feast. Repeat this process till all the mixture is consumed and set aside. For the second step, set water to boil. I usually do this while I'm making the kebabs just to save time. How much water you need depends upon how much you are making. The rule of thumb is you need enough water to cover all your kebabs. When the water heats up and before it starts boiling, add the kebabs one by one. Once all your kebabs are in, start adding the spices. Add black cardamoms, cinnamon stick, saunf powder, ginger powder, salt, turmeric, and red chili powder. I boil these for 45 minutes or till they have become tender. After 45 minutes, your broth is ready. Separate the kebabs and strain the broth. For our final step, most importantly, you will need to prepare an onion paste with fried onions before you start. Check out my Rogan Josh video to see how to make an onion paste. In a pan, put oil or ghee about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Add cumin seeds, green cardamoms and cloves. Then add fried onion paste about 4 tablespoons, but this will vary depending upon how much gravy you want to make. Stir these on low heat and add beaten yogurt. If your pan is too hot, your yogurt will curdle, so beware of that. Stir this mixture for a few minutes and then add the kebabs and the strained broth. Allow this to boil till you get the desired consistency. Just before it's done, sprinkle a little mint powder and red food color or cockscomb extract. This adds to the flavor and color of your dish. You can boil for a few more minutes. And your Lahabi Kabab is ready. Thank you all for watching. Let me know how you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.